So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full review of a software called ChannelEmpire. I'm going to walk you through exactly what it is, what you get, all the upgrades inside, and whether it's actually worth your money or not. So just stick around till the end because I'm going to cover everything you need to know before you make a decision. Okay, so let me explain what this thing actually is. So basically, ChannelEmpire is an AI software that helps you create and run YouTube channels. But here is the cool part. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to sit in front of the camera, you don't have to record anything, and you don't even have to write a single word yourself. The AI does all of that for you. What it does is, you pick a niche or a topic you want your channel to be about, and then the AI takes over from there. It figures out what videos to make, it writes the script, it generates a voiceover that actually sounds like a real human, it creates the visuals, and then it puts the whole video together for you. You are basically getting finished videos without doing any of the heavy lifting. And here is something I really like about it. It's not just for English channels. You can actually create channels in multiple languages. So if you want a Spanish channel, a Portuguese channel, a Hindi channel, you can do that. That's a big deal because most people are only targeting English speakers. But there are millions of people watching YouTube in other languages too, and way less competition in those markets. Alright, so now let's talk about what you actually get when you buy the main product, the front end. So what happens when you first get inside? The first thing you do is pick a niche. That just means you choose what your channel is going to be about. Maybe it's motivational content, maybe it's finance tips, maybe it's health stuff. Whatever you pick, the AI then builds your whole channel around that topic. It starts figuring out what kind of videos to make, what to talk about, all of that. Now, with a base version, you can run around 3 to 5 channels at the same time. So you are not stuck with just one channel, you can have a few going at once, which is already pretty cool for a starting point. There is also a limit on how many videos you can make per month, so just keep that in mind. It's not unlimited at this level, but it's enough to get started and see how things work. You also get a few languages option to choose from, not all of them. That's locked behind an upgrade, which I will talk about in a minute. The voice options are the standard ones, nothing too fancy, but they still sound decent enough for YouTube. And the video quality is good for what it is, not 4K, but good enough to get your channel off the grid. Honestly, the front end is a solid starting point if you're someone who has never done this before and just wants to try it out and see if it works for you before going all in. It gives you enough to get your first channel up and running and actually test the whole thing out for yourself. Okay, so let's talk about the price real quick. The main product, the front end, is available at a very affordable price right now. Okay, so now let's talk about the upgrades. Like I said, when you get inside, you are going to see some extra offers. So let me just walk you through each one so you know exactly what's going on. The first upgrade is basically the remove all limit version. Remember how I said the main product has a cap on channels, videos and languages? This upgrade removes all of that. You get unlimited channels, unlimited videos every month, all 20 plus languages unlocked, better video quality in 4K and HD, faster processing speed and all premium voice options. If you are someone who is serious about actually building this out and not just testing it, this one is probably worth grabbing. The second upgrade is wild. They literally build 5 complete YouTube channels for you, like them. Each channel already has 30 videos loaded in, the thumbnails are made, the branding is set up, and they even give you a monetization plan so you know how to start making from it. All you have to do is connect your YouTube account and go live. So if you are the kind of person who just wants to skip all the setup and jump straight to having a ready to go channel, this one is for you. The third upgrade is the full autopilot mode. This is where things get really interesting. With this, the AI literally runs your channels on its own every single day. It finds what's trending, creates the videos, schedules them and posts them, all without you doing anything. You don't even have to log in. Your channels just keep going on their own and the content stays fresh automatically. And the fourth upgrade is for people who want to turn this into a proper business by offering it as a service to clients. So instead of just using Channel Empire for yourself, you can use it to build YouTube channels for other businesses and charge them good money for it. You get client management dashboard, white label rights, up to 50 client accounts, and they even give you ready-made contracts and proposal templates. They also teach you how to charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per channel. So if you are a freelancer or you run any kind of agency, this one is a no-brainer. The fifth upgrade is basically a big research and monetization pack. You get over 200 pre-researched niches that are already proven to make, so you never have to sit there wondering, okay, what niche should I pick? On top of that, you get swipe files that tell you exactly how to monetize each niche, the best affiliate offers for different language markets, templates for reaching out to sponsors, monthly trend reports, and access to a private community. This one is great if you feel stuck on picking a niche or you are not sure how to actually make once your channel starts growing. Alright, so we have covered everything. Now let me give you my honest final thoughts. Channel Empire is a really solid tool, especially if you have been wanting to start on YouTube but you just don't want to be on camera, or you don't have time to create content manually every week. It does exactly what it says. It helps you build and run faceless YouTube channels with the help of AI. Is it perfect? No tool is. But for the price, it gives you a genuinely good starting point and a real path to building something. If you go in with realistic expectations and you are willing to give it some time to grow, I think it's worth it. Now here is where it gets even better. If you grab Channel Empire through my link down in the description, I'm going to give you 21 exclusive bonuses completely for free, on top of everything you are already getting. These are bonuses I put together myself to help you move faster and actually get results. We are talking about tools, resources, and extras that go perfectly with what Channel Empire does. Things that help you with marketing, growing your online presence, making more from your channels, and a whole lot more. There are 21 of them, so I have dropped a full list on my Medium page, and the link to that is also sitting right there in the description for you. Go check it out. I think you are going to love what's in there. And if you have any questions at all about the software, the upgrades, the bonuses, anything, just drop them in the comments below and I will personally answer every single one.